I do feel that the Power BI tool is something that you can use at many different levels, really. My name's Chris Sullivan. I'm a senior finance business partner in Network Rail. Power BI is becoming a very current tool in our organisation, as it is in probably a lot of organisations. I have a team who are often asked to present information to multiple customers at different levels of the organisation and different backgrounds as well. And so visualisation of data is quite important to us because we're speaking to a mixed audience, and sometimes visualisation of data is easy to get across to people rather than taking them through huge pivot tables or spreadsheets. Omar, who looked after us, paced it well. He's obviously getting a mixed bag of people sat in front of him, and he doesn't know who they are, what their IT skill sets are like. And Omar obviously had experience of running different people at different paces because we're all coming at it from a different angle, maybe. So Omar was really helpful, and he was at pains to point out that it's not a sprint. It's just about trying to absorb information, thinking about how to use it in practical circumstances. So he really sort of created the environment in which I felt comfortable, in which we could all learn. I've got a colleague who I'm going to start experimenting on and doing some work for her, in that we have what's called a CRM system, basically, which is sort of management of inboxes. And I'm pulling data out of there. I mean, there's absolutely tons of data. And what we want to do is get it in something that's a bit more visual, a bit more user-friendly, will allow us to drill down at the right levels. So I've got a sort of a mini project I'm going to do with her. But I think probably more importantly for me, it certainly delivered for me in terms of what I wanted to be able to understand about what I was asking my guys to do. Through personal experience and through as I said, all of my team have been on it at different times. So the proof's in the pudding in that sense, that people have been on the course, have recommended me to go on. So it definitely delivers, I think, what it sets out to do. I think in terms of who would benefit from it, I think it depends on what you want. I wouldn't pin it down to say you need to have, apart from a base knowledge of IT skills, I think you can benefit from this at any level in the organisation.